Welcome to Roadside Basics. My name is Will. I'm here at Dartmouth Dodge in Dartmouth, Nova Scotia to walk you through the basics of car maintenance. Each and every vehicle should be looked after properly to save time, money, and headache. With basics, you can start with a jump-off point on how to learn and progress, or just to save yourself some money on a day off with basic hand tools. In this episode, I will be showing you the necessities that every vehicle owner should keep with them at all times. For the purpose of this video, I picked up a Goodyear roadside assistance kit. Kits like this one are a good base and offer you the best bang for your buck. Any extra tools or things you need as you learn can be picked up, as well as maintenance item consumables like oil can be picked up from virtually any big box store, as well as automotive departments and gas stations. This kit contains a set of jumper cables, roadside flashlights for nighttime emergencies, a blanket which is good to have in any Canadian scenario, a poncho for those rainy day mishaps, a first aid kit, and a pair of work gloves. A few other things you should carry on you include an air compressor for topping up your tires, a tire pressure gauge, a jack, and a wrench with a basic socket set. This one came with exactly the sizes we needed, 4 different sizes ranging from 19 to 22 millimeters. The best place for this kit is in your car at all times. I like to keep my kit behind the driver's seat or in the trunk area. Statistically, accidents happen no matter what you do. Like and subscribe for more tips on how to keep your vehicle in top shape. Special thank you to Dartmouth Dodge, proud sponsor of the Nova Scotia Jeep Club, made possible by Taking a Global and Rising Youth grants.